Hi guys! Good morning! Good day sa inyong lahat. And today, may dumating na mysterious box from none other than Sir MJ Lopez. Tara, samahan niyo ako guys mag-unbox. Honestly guys, hindi ko alam kung ano ang laman nito, pero sure ako na hindi lang to basta-basta package. Okay, so ito, naglalaman siya ng mga pwedeng magpabago ng buhay mo. Kaya tara, samahan niyo na ako mag-unbox. So guys, ito na siya. I got a note. The details, guys. The details. Ayaw mo talaga siyang masira. Kaya kaya na-unbox mo siya carefully. Eto, masaya na siyang pag-aralan ulit. It's time to get back. I've been distracted. I've segued for quite some time. So yan, it's time to go back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy yung unboxing natin ng goodies from Sir MJ. Ayan, ready na ulit to fight. Bye guys!